Am I the only one who feels extra grateful for every bite on May 1st? You need to watch this if you believe food is more than just a meal. It's a celebration. Let's journey to Haiti, where Labor and Agriculture Day is more than a holiday. It's a heartfelt tradition. Every year on May 1st, families across Haiti come together to celebrate Labor and Agriculture Day. It's a day to honor the farmers, the gardeners, and everyone who brings food from the earth to our tables. Picture farmers planting seeds in the early morning sun, working with hope in their hearts and soil on their hands. Children help pick bright peppers and shiny tomatoes, learning that food doesn't just come from a store. It's grown with love. In every Haitian home, kitchens fill with laughter and the rich aroma of homemade soup, spicy jams, and creamy cremas. Neighbors gather to cook, share, and taste the flavors that connect them to generations past. Labor and Agriculture Day isn't just about working hard. It's about community, tradition, and gratitude. We honor the hands that feed us, and we celebrate the island spirit that turns every meal into a memory. So the next time you enjoy a home-cooked dish, remember the farmers, the families, and the island traditions behind every bite. From my island heart to your plate, taste the islands, feel the spirit. Happy Labor and Agriculture Day, Haiti. Taste the islands, feel the spirit.